beautiful stars, I hope that you're doing so well today. If you're new here, welcome to my little slice of pie here on the internet. I hope you enjoy, and I am Molly. I create lots of videos here on this channel from reselling, beauty, lifestyle, and fashion, and sometimes I throw in some spooky story Sundays in the mix. So if you like any of that stuff, definitely subscribe and like this video if you like it. So for today's video, I have a reselling related video, side hustle kind of thing, and it is how to use the Poshmark app 101. I'm going to cover everything that I've learned from using this app for the past several years. I've been on Poshmark since 2016, so it's been a couple of years now, and I just do it for fun, but also as like a little side hustle. I love it. It's fun and it's changed a lot over the years, so I'm going to pop over onto my screen recording, and I hope that this helps you. If you have any questions, definitely leave them down below, and let's get into it. Okay, my friends, I definitely recommend that you grab your phone and get into your app and follow along with me so it helps you understand the app better. Starting with the news feed, nothing really special is on here besides the story feature, and this is a great way to advertise a sale in your closet or new listings. So here I'm showing you one of my Nike pairs of leggings that I listed. I'm saying new listing, and then what's really cool is you can tag the listing in your story, so someone, if they watch it, can go straight to the listing and buy it or view it, whatever they decide to do. A really great way to market your closet in general. What's also nice about the newsfeed is you can go ahead and search listings or by brand and also by market. This is a really nice feature that the newsfeed area has, and you can also switch to any of the markets as you can see here, and you can switch to the Canadian market too if you're from Canada. Next on the down bar is the shop section. So this is where you can search for parties that are happening and look at the guidelines that they have, the brands allowed at that party. They have parties every, I think, 2 to 3 hours. And then you can discover people and search for products. You can also go into the sell icon, and I have a whole video on how to list and use the draft feature, so I'll link that up in the eye so you can go ahead and watch that after this video. The next section on the down bar is the news section, and what's cool is you can filter it by comments, bundles, offers, and follows. There's also orders and anything else along the lines of that. So sometimes when it's just at the regular news section, it shows all the follows you're getting and the comments as they come, whereas when you filter it out like this, you can see strictly just comments, and it's a great way to stay organized. After the news section, there is your profile section basically. So it has your closet, your drafts, your likes, everything. And there's also a guide to Poshmark as well as the Poshmark's etiquette, so do's and don'ts, and you can go ahead and look at that to learn more about Poshmark in general. I won't go through it in this video. I would definitely recommend checking this out because it's a great way to know maybe what to expect packaging your items and things like that. You can also invite your friends, and you and your friend will get a reward for using that, and I'll link mine down below if you're new to Poshmark. Then you can also find people. So here's my sister's closet, and this is a great way to share other people's closet if you want to become a Poshmark ambassador, and I think you need like 1,000 shares to become one. You can also go to my closet, and this is a great way to share your closet and see your listings, and you can also check the about feature. This is a little bit about yourself. You can connect your socials if you want to. This is a place to see all of your love notes that you've given and received, items that you've shared, and brands that you follow. There you can also edit your profile too, so that some things are more private than others. Once you go back to the profile page, you can see the drafts that you have and go from there to list them and edit the items. You can also go to my likes and filter it by dropping, available, sold, all that. Then you can go to offers that are sent out to you from your likes and also that you've sent out personally. You can see your bundles, and that's a great way to make sales. I also can see your profile and then your size and items that you've recently viewed. So if you didn't like it, you can always go back and see it. And then purchases that you've had and your payment methods, addresses, and then what has sold. From there you can see my Posh stats, your ratings, available listings, and how many you've sold. My seller tools is awesome. You can get your seller discounts, you can turn it on or off, and this is good for bundles. And you can see your sales report, inventory report, and get that sent to your email. You can also do campaigns and make money this way. And there's also the vacation hold, which I know it's a little cropped, but you can turn that on and keep it on for as long as you want. There's the shipping label settings, and this is also a great way to adjust if you have a thermal printer. And then you can also do sharing settings, so sometimes you can share to like social media platforms like Facebook. And also from this page you can log out, which is at the way bottom there. So that is a little quick rundown of how to use the app. If you have any questions, if I went too fast, definitely comment them down below and I'll try and help out the best I can. Alright, there you go. Alright, so I hope that this helped you out in any way, shape, or form. If it did, definitely do like this video. It helps me know that you like videos like this. And comment down below any of your other questions so I can try and help you the best that I can. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, shine bright. Bye!